I can mix brown rice protein powder in a pizza dough? Hell yeah! Hi, today you will see Healthiest, the most high protein pizza you've ever seen. Are you ready? For the recipe we will need pizza dough I made last night. It is a weird pizza dough, I agree, but it is high protein. Inside of this piece we have already like 35 grams of protein. I used my brown rice protein powder, which has basically no flavor. You know me, I don't do any measures. If you don't know me, I don't do any measures. Yeah, I prepared my dry yeast with the water. I waited like 5 minutes. Scoop of protein powder. And why it looks so tired? I didn't use regular flour, so it's just buckwheat flour, which is healthy and high in protein, to be honest. Little bit of salt, more water, more flour, mix it all up. A bit of grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oil you have. Then I saw the consistency and I put some flax seeds in there. Voila! Oh la la, mamma mia! Pizza, fettuccini, fusilli, mamma mia, pomodoro. On our pizza we'll put lean ground beef, some veggies and cheese, which has like a little bit more protein than fat. Mozzarella, and it's like high in protein. Mamma mia! Let's talk in more action. Action means we are doing something, you know, chop chop chop. Let's go. And for now we need to fry this meat. Let's go. Now, some Italian chef would probably say, "You idioto! We need to preheat our oven, motherfucker." 200 degrees Celsius. It is 400 Fahrenheit. Heat. Let's go. Expelliarmus. Tap 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 tap. Little bit of pepper. I'm just kidding. While we're making this, we can make that, you know? Let's go. Vegetables. Half of like small zucchini. Lop, like this. Oh, where are you going? Her name was Lola. She loved my pizza. We didn't need to fry them or something. Just put them in a bowl, put some salt, pepper, and let it be. We need more pepper, right, Brady?
More pepper.
Oh my good. Oh, good catch. Thank you. This is olive oil. Just a splash. That's enough. This beef, you make me dance. I didn't put any salt because I have soy sauce. This is going to be a Japanese pizza. Few more minutes and we're done with the meat. Peppers. Little bit of red pepper, little bit of yellow. We all know that meat plus veggies means good digesting, and you know, if you don't have peppers but you have like broccoli, for example, or spinach, go ahead. Yeah, I could have buy some spinach. Oh my god! I will cut off my finger. For baking, I will use just uno momento. This guy has nice handle. You can use whatever you want in the house. Olive oil spray. Yeah, because we don't want... Oh my god, what is that? Because we don't want it to be sticky, you know? Where's my pizza? We don't want this. Nah. Don't look. I want to remind you, this is all just experiment. Oh wow, flax seeds. Nice. No, actually the smell of the rice from protein powder and the smell of buckwheat flour. Oh my goodness, I'll be damned. This is not thin crust at all. We can make like 2 pizzas from this. But it's going to be just one pizza. I don't have time for this, bro. Of course, you can use this thing. I don't even know the name for this in English. Dough stretcher? Roller? I don't know. I cannot use this because, you know. Yeah. Your skin is not so tight, huh? Some kind of random pizza sauce. Ooh la la, c'est très bien. I don't even have any basil. Wait, I have a little bit of these. You can use just basic tomato paste with the water a little bit, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and now what? Beef, 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 beef. If I will eat this whole pizza, I will probably poop right away. Folks, I feel like I'm making lasagna, except there's no layers of dough. Anyway, if it's not a pizza, it will be a protein pie, you know? Protein pie is also good. Why are you judging me? Stop, and shut the f up. I'm always saying some things here, but you don't have to listen to it all the time. Okay, I think that's enough. A little bit. Oh yeah, we can put our peppers. Why not? Peppers. Pizza will be juicy and saucy. You know, sassy girl. No, I mean saucy girl. Yeah. What do? I will use my fingers. I don't know. It's just soft. And now our sticks. I will put it like. Oh. Nice! Can I do it again? This is so much easier. Tell me it's not a pie, huh? Tell me it's not a pie. Who put all this trash on my table? Hey! So while you make all this, don't forget to do like this, you know? Because you don't want to have greasy fingers. Am I right? Yeah. Zucchini on top. Woohoo! Ta-da! Now just oven and wait and dance and wait and dance and wait and dance and wait and dance. See you later. We'll start with the 10 minutes. Yeah. You are not allowed to eat this pizza by yourself. You will simply shit your pants. Dudes, there is a lot of protein. Yeah, by the way, macros for this pizza. Yeah. Pizza. So how do I know if you're ready? Huh? Knife. I don't know if you see something, but there's some dough on the knife. 10 minutes more? Maybe 5? Yeah. Okay, now it's hot. Boys and girls, I think it's done. Look at this crispy cheese. Wow, mamma mia. Why so heavy, motherfucker? If you think this is the end, no. Oh, I don't like this. Let's go. Nice pie. Healthy fat? Hell yeah! Just a half. I love this color. Easiest way to do this is just like this spoon. I also wanted to add a boiled egg. I think it is going to be just too much. Next time, buddy. Ham hurts. Hell yeah. I'm just excited. Just grab ingredients and go and try it. This is delicious. This kind of pizza we can eat like every day. See you later. Thank you for being with me. A soy sauce on the vegetables. I mean. Why am I laughing?